we are on Antelope Island. Gonna go for an adventure ride today. Steep hill, gotta go up here. Buffalo Point. Here it comes, Buffalo Point.
Can you imagine how different this would be with freshwater and all the boaters and houseboats and marinas and big resorts?
Gotta wait for Lake Bonneville to come back.
This is a no outlet lake. No outlet, so the salt just builds up. Nope.
We're up in no man's land. Nothing but mountains, rocks, and salty water. Nothing else inhabits this. Whoa!
And I'm out of water! No! Save me! It's kind of cool up here. It's kind of like an outlaws hideaway. I'll get a picture of you taking a picture of me.
Desolate.
Must do animals out there?
Maybe they should do Naked and Afraid Antelope Island.
Give me your profile at least.
We saw some tatanka. For some reason they might be out there on that salt flats. Maybe it's cooler in the sand. Because they're all bedded down.